So today we're going to be creating a animation for birthdays in Canva. So to get started, you're going to need to go to the Canva website. If you don't have an account with Canva, you can sign up for free. They do have a pro account, which gives you a bit more access to other features, but it doesn't really matter. You can still do what you need to do. So the first step would be to go to the search bar and type in a mobile birthday video. So as you can see, there's quite a lot here. The thing with Canva is that you can't use a template as is and sell it. So you do have to make changes to that template, whether it might be adding elements in or different backgrounds and things like that. So we are going to change a template up a little bit. So we're going to pick this one here because I quite like this one. So you can see that there's video, animation and text and graphics. So what you will do is customize this template. Okay, that looks kind of pretty. So the thing is, we can't use this as is if we were going to create something to sell. So what we're going to do is to click on the background. We're going to get rid of the background. So just click on it and press backspace and the background's gone. So now we're going to go to elements and we're going to find a new background. So you type in what you want. So you might say animated sparkle, circle or fireworks or whatnot. So we're going to pop that in, maybe fireworks, see what's there. There's a few things. So just scroll on down, see what you can find. And this one here, you want to be careful about your orientation. So you want to make sure that something is the same orientation as your canvas. So we're going to choose this one. I quite like that. So you need to fit it to your designs by pulling out and then just fitting it there. Nice. Then we want to push it to the background. So you right click and go to layer and then send to back. So now you can start to see these other animations, which are quite nice. But they do look a little bit the same as the background. So we are going to change these. So you can see when you hover over all the different pieces, it has a box around it. So firstly, we're going to get rid of this circle. We're going to get rid of that. So then we're going to go back to elements and we're going to find something a little bit different. So we will do an animated sparkle circle. So I did use one recently, which you will be able to see back here. I think it's the same as the other one, but it doesn't really matter. Just bring it out so it covers the text. Then you want to maybe bring down this color so the other colors stand out. So we're going to go up to transparency and just pull that down a little bit, because then you can see all of this popping a little bit more. So then we want to change the text to a black. So you go up to A and then click on that, and then back to that one, and we will change it to black. Okay, so we might want to move this text up a little bit, so we'll just pop it up this, maybe like that. I think that's pretty nice. So you can now see that that is looking pretty nice. So again, you can play around with it. You can bring up the background or you can put it down a little bit. So I feel like the darker the better, because then you've got that glitter that's really popping. And then you've got the happy birthday text in it. Yeah. So let's have a little go and see what happens. I really like that, but I do feel it's a little bit fast. So we want to slow down the graphics or the video. We can do that. So let's click on this and we go up to speed and we just bring it down a little bit so it slows it down. So then we go back, and you can see that the background has slowed down significantly. So what you can do, again, to be a little bit more creative, is you can add a song or audio. So we'll just pull down here to audio, and I suppose let's look for a birthday song. It could be celebration song or birthday song. So let's go to celebration, because sometimes happy birthday is just a bit too normal. So let's look at something else. So celebration. Okay, here's one here. Rock happy birthday song.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday.
Okay, that sounds pretty good. So we're going to add that. So that's just brought it down to the bottom here, and we're going to pull it back. So now, as long as it's in line with your video, it should work. If you want to create a bit of a fade in and fade out, you just click on the three dots and go fade, and then just drag up. I usually do fade out pretty much high, and then I do this about sort of middle. And then you can test what it sounds like.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday to you.
So you can hear that fading out a little bit, and I think that's quite a nice touch. So I quite like that. Again, you can do what you want. You can personalize it. You can add messages in. It's really quite simple. So then what you need to do, if you're going to send that on to someone and make their day, you just go to share, go to download, and make sure it's MP4 video, and then download. So that's really lovely. So once that's finished downloading, you will find it in your download files. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to making some more for you.